needle. No, it was meant to Janelle. But he's not shaking anymore. And then he's starting to It's a pretty slow process.
And we're still starting.
Janelle, take your time. Wait, can you focus it on me real quick? This is what Dwayne Wade did when he was 14 years old. Chemistry class teacher, Mr. Jones. In what's it called? School. What school was it? Boys and Girls High School at Brooklyn. Yeah, his classroom was, I think, W2. No, the classroom was the same. He was living with his mom and dad at the time. His little brother, John. What's his name? Huh? Yeah, to see Dwayne Wade's a very important part in our lives, and people just hate to see him go. You know, did you stay the last one?
You see, Michael always love you right there. Wants to be like Dwayne Wade. But his chances in basketball are not as tight.
Why should we not?
This one is not still.
It's fine. We could change from white to...
Of course. Okay, let's start the other part now.
As you can see, the white milk right here has turned to purple. Bright purple, so...
Okay. So, here's a question for you. What is the color of this substance now?
This color looks purple, so based on the table,
Is it
would be...
acidic or basic?
This would be acidic.
So, wait. So, would this be light purple or dark?
This would be light purple,
okay.
Which means the acidity is 4.
So what is the acidity again?
4.
Thank you.
Okay. Is that acidic?
So it's acidic. Next is vinegar.
As you can see,
What color is it?
the vinegar, which used to be pure white, has turned into pinkish red.
Pinkish red is that a color to know?
And so, based on the
top of it.
based on
the bottom has not,
you can see, based on the acidic table, this would be a 2 and this would be acidic. It's very acidic. Very acidic.
so this isn't as acidic.
Now baking soda. It's pretty
You see, the baking soda used to be white powder, then it turned to greenish blue. And so,
is it acidic or basic?
and so based on the table, this would be basic 10.
It should be
Basic 10.
around 10 or 8, so I guess it would be a 9 because since it's not too dark and it's not too light and it's more like green, so I guess it would be about 9.
Next up, liquid chroma. Now what color is it, Jamil?
As you can see, the liquid chroma, which used to be clear white, has turned into yellow.
Is it acidic or basic?
Based on the table, this would be basic and number of 12.
Thank you, Jamil. Next up, Listerine. What color is it, Jamil?
As you can see, the blue Listerine has turned to purple.
Is it acidic or basic?
Based on the table, this would be acidic. This would be between 6 or 4. This would be like about around a 5. Acidic.
Thank you, Jamil. Next up is Sprite Zero, no fat.
See, this is Sprite Zero, which used to be clear white before, and now this is turned to pink.
Is it acidic or basic?
This would be very acidic with a number of 2.
Thank you, Jamil. Next up is lemon juice, squeezed by
As you can see, lemon juice used to be pure, it used to be mixture of yellow and white, and then after we add the red cabbage, it used to turn to red.
And is it acidic or basic?
And it would be acidic too, the number 2.
Now next up is water from Jamil's spring water, parkland water?
No, actually it's distilled water.
School water, same thing.
Distilled.
No, it's not school. It's
Distilled water.
At home, you know?
So color, what color is it, Jamil?
It's actually in between.
The clear white water has turned into a bright purple. And based on the table, this would be a 6.
Next up is the orange juice, Minute Maid, that ripped off. $3 for that bottle?
And this one just used to be yellow, and as you can see, it has turned to purple as well. And so,
Is it acidic or basic?
based on the table, this would also be acidic with the number of 2.
Would be actually, but it's not really that red and not really that purplish, so I think it would
It would be like around a 3.
a 3.
Next is milk of magnesia, used to help stomach aches. Yeah.
As you can see, the milk of magnesia used to be white just like milk, and it turned to a different color. It turned to green.
It's like a
As
green.
you can see, the milk here turned to purple. Milk of magnesia turned to green. And so
Is this basic or acidic?
this would be basic and a number of 10.
Thank you, Jamil.
Okay, so this one would be Coca-Cola, and it used to be a brownish color. And so
Is it acidic or basic?
I think it would be acidic because since it turned to a reddish,
And what number?
and it would be a 2. Do you agree?
Yes, I see.
Next up is... Next up is orange Gatorade.
Okay, so orange Gatorade used to be orange color, orange Gatorade. So since it used to be orange and now it's reddish, I say it's acidic. So I say it's around 2.
Okay. Next is apple juice. Apple juice.
So apple juice used to be yellowish, light yellowish, and now it's become a reddish color, and I think
Is it acidic or basic?
I think it's acidic.
Thank you, Lauren.
What's the number of?
It is number 2.
Next up is alcohol. Get you one. It's very nice.
That's Michael
I was joking.
has never tasted.
Okay, Jamil.
Okay, well, it used to be clear since it's alcohol, and now it's turned to a lightish purple, and
Is it acidic or basic?
it is acidic.
Thank you, Lauren.
What's the number of?
It's with the number of, I say it's 4, which is light purple.
Next up, instinct.